One more, stay just like that. Freeze. Oh yes, it's so good, oh my gosh. Do you ever take pictures outside with an off-camera flash like this, but you're not quite sure where to put it? Well, today I'm gonna show you what not to do and what to do to create a beautiful shot outside. We're here with Leah. We're under this beautiful canopy of trees. And what I want to show you right now is what not to do. And that is to put your light on the opposite side of your subject relative to where the sun is. So right now, the sun is over her left shoulder, which is the right side of the camera. And I have my flash right here, which is on my left side. What that's called is a cross pattern light. So the light source is behind her going this way and it's in front going this way. And I'm going to take a shot and show you what it looks like. And Leah will not get distracted by the cute puppies walking by. So here we go, Leah, look right at me. Great. And you can see how the shadows on her face are coming from the left of the frame, but the sun on the rim light of her, if you see it, the rim light is on the right side. So if you're thinking in terms of, oh, we're outside and there's only one light source, the shadows just don't kind of make sense. So now I'm gonna flip it and show you what that looks like. Now I've flipped my light, so now you can see it right here. This is on the same side relative to my subject as where the sun is. So the sun is now over her left shoulder, which is the right side of the camera, and the light now is on the same side relative to my subject. So I'm gonna take a shot and show you what that looks like. So Leah, same thing, stay just like this. Beautiful. You've got the sun coming in from the right-hand side. You have light coming in from the right-hand side, naturally causing shadows both to come in on the left side of her, which is our camera left, her right side. So it looks organically as it would occur in nature, meaning we only have one sun, right? Unless we're shooting downtown against a building or something, that's the only way you would have two light sources bouncing off of the reflections of the building bouncing off the glass. So what I want to do now is just turn Leah into my light this way so that I get nice, natural looking light on her. That's beautiful. Take a baby step to your right. Thank you. Stay just like this. Don't move. Hold still. That's absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, when we look at this image, you can see that the light is coming in from the right-hand side, just like the sun is coming in from the back, from the right-hand side. And the shadows on her left makes sense to your brain, because when you do it the other way, when you do a cross pattern light, sometimes it can just kind of look a little, your brain's like glitchy, like it looks like she's copied and pasted into the background. So it can sometimes not make sense just because of the way the shadows are falling. So that's what, if you're shooting outside, you want to always make sure that where's your subject, where's your sun, and then I want to put the light on the same side as wherever the sun would be in relationship to your subject. All right. So what I'm doing is just taking a test shot. And again, I have my light in place on Leah's right side because the sun is setting on her right. And I've got my settings where I think they need to be, but I'm gonna take a test shot just so that my light and my camera can talk to each other. And then from there, I'll go into manual and really make an adjustment. So I think the mob is done. So stay with me for a second. Here we go. That's gonna be pretty. And I don't care about seeing my other camera. And this shot is way overexposed. So I need to immediately go into manual and bump it down probably by 2 stops. And we're gonna take it again. Much, much, much better. But I still have a ton of people walking past me, so I can't really take this shot yet. I'm gonna drop down my f-stop so that I get a shallower depth of field. And I'm gonna raise my ISO to 500. I was at 160. And I'm gonna take the shot again because now my light and the background atmosphere should be a little more balanced. And I'm gonna try to not get run over by people. And lighting looks good on her, but now she's a little overexposed. So I need to dial my light back even more. I'm gonna go 2 more stops. And I think we're gonna have just enough time for me to take this shot and then set up for the other shot that I really wanna do. So that is beautiful. And now I've just seen that I need to raise my exposure just a little. My light, I mean, stay here, waiting for those people. Now I have to hustle and set up for the other shot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is that we have Leah set up here. We're gonna use the hat. I'm gonna get in nice and tight so we can make a nice headshot and kind of tunnel vision the background and just focus on Leah and her face. And it should be a very, very pretty shot. So let's just take a couple here. Don't move. That looks amazing just by itself. Oh man. Absolutely beautiful. Leah, don't move a muscle. I'm just going to turn my light down a little bit. Stay right here. Oh, that is getting beautiful. Mom, I wish you could see it. It's beautiful. If you're confident in where to put your light and your system allows for it, I'm using the ProPhoto system. So I have a B1 and a ProPhoto light. Trigger, it's a trigger. This is not a light, this is a trigger. You can start by getting it right, especially with mirrorless. You can kind of see what the shot looks like before you ever take it. And then your light just helps accentuate what the shot looks like. So what I recommend to people all the time is get your background where you want it, put your remote in TTL. And if you don't know what TTL, it means through the lens. And it basically tells the light what your camera settings are at so that it puts out the right amount of light. So it's like your camera and your light talk to each other. And from there, I'm just gonna take a shot, show you what that looks like with my eyes closed. And it's absolutely beautiful. So now that I'm in TTL, I'm gonna flick it over to manual, and then I have full control whether I wanna raise it up or lower it down a little bit. So in the shot we just took, I think my light is starting to get a little too powerful for the scene. So I'm just gonna tone it down, maybe about a half a stop. And let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna take one more and just see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks a little more natural. So here's the flow of things. Look at your model, find out where the sun is, put your light on the same side as the sun, and then get your camera to where you think the background should be, settings-wise. Put your remote in TTL, take a shot, see how you like it, but then from there, put it in manual, then you have full control whether you want your subject to be a little brighter or a little darker. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do a really cool shot, which is the whole reason why we came out here. I'm gonna change my setup a little bit, and the sun is almost in the right position. I'm going to set up a giant softbox because I want this light to be really buttery, smooth, and soft on her skin tone, because this scene is so pretty organically that I don't want to use a harsh light, which is what we're using now. And the result from this shot is really pretty just by itself, but it's about to get even better because the sun's gonna come down, it's gonna go right over her shoulder, and then we're gonna put a big softbox on her, and it's gonna be absolutely, so let's do it. All right, so now I'm going handheld. I'm abandoning ship on the tripod just because I like to be free. I can't help it. So actually, Leah, I'm gonna take you a step closer to my softbox here. Okay, good. Right here. And guys, what this is gonna do, hopefully, fingers crossed, is gonna produce the amount of light I need for her basically hat through kind of where her belly button is. And so knowing that, actually, you can see it right here. I'm shooting over the top of her, but I'm hitting her kind of at the waist right here because that's all I'm shooting in the camera. So staying right here, I'm at 70, don't move. All right, in this, you can see that her ankles are darker than her face because the natural fall off of that softbox is not going that far. So now I'm gonna take the real shot. Ooh, trickster. Stay right here, Leah, don't move. This is gonna be beautiful. It's like Gone with the Wind. This shot is amazing, but she's just a little overexposed. So I'm gonna go back to manual and I'm gonna come down. Let's go stop and a half. See how that treats us? Man, this is getting beautiful right now. Stay just like this, stay there. Oh my gosh, stop it. Tilt your head just a little bit this way, freeze, hold that there. Yep. Can we say model portfolio image? Yes, we can. It's really hard when your model is this pretty. It makes my job extremely difficult. Right here, freeze. The sun is entering my camera and causing my camera to freak out, so stay put. Yeah, give me a little crack smile like that. I love that. Freeze that right there, beautiful. Right here is good, don't move. One more, stay just like that, freeze. Oh yes, it's so good, oh my gosh. Let's give her a round of applause. Actually, she can't hear that because you're at your computer. So If you want to subscribe, you can like this thing. That way I can keep buying beef and bean burritos for my dog. Leah, thank you for being here. These pictures are really cool. If this has been valuable, let me know in the comments. That's all. See you later.